It is amazing though, and doctors only ever think of fibrin in relation to liver stress, so they always assume anyone with high fibrin has a bug or they're an alcoholic. Whereas as soon as I see fibrin when I'm doing live blood screening, I go, ooh, stress, because it's nearly always stress. You know, well, no, in my world, because people come to me for stress, it's nearly always stress. I mean, occasionally it'll be an acute viral thing like glandular fever or something like that. It's generally stress. And I just love it, you know, an acute phase protein released under stress. That's what it does. Okay, beautiful. So that's, I want to check a few of the little just integration pathways, just because that'll just help your brain. Mm-hmm. So let me just go have a play. How do you go at oral exams?
So much better.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, if I was like, I wish so much that I haven't had an oral exam since like middle school. Yeah, okay. But like, I like presentations over all other like mediums. Right. Like I never get worried about presentations. Yeah. Like everyone always has that stage fright, but I'm like, oh my gosh, thank God a presentation, because I know I can ace the presenting part. You just need good slides.
Hold out for me. Okay. So this one is perfect. Hold out. That's brokers to brokers. That's the words. Your words are fine. This is words plus thoughts. And hold. And that's fine. When I add in, hold out, auditory integration. So that's taking in what you're listening to, trying to work it in your brain, get so it all makes sense. That's when it starts becoming a challenge in there.
Yeah. I have a accommodation for a note taker in classes, which is really nice, because I cannot follow teachers, especially that one I was talking about that was really hard. He goes so fast, it's crazy. Like, I'm trying to take down, and it's like I can't remember what he just said when he starts talking. So like he could have said the most simple thing, but I forgot it already, like right away, because he starts talking about something else.
Oh, beautiful. And the next one, I'm going to do it on its own first, because it's really important, is rip and lip. Hold out. Yeah. That's left and right integration points. So it's all your short-term and long-term visual and auditory ingoing and outgoing memory. Really important. And fear, threat, danger shuts it down. Yeah, pretty important point. And then I'll connect them to the other three as well. So they're the master integration points for a lot of our, like the memory center was really quite good. Like really, your brain's not doing too badly, which is, you know, a testament to how well you've done, because corpus callosum was working really well on its own, but when trust is down, it just fell apart. Anterior commissure is working really well, and the memory centers were doing really well until the motivation was down because of your internal monkey brain. So there's been, and the reticular activating system, that's shown up like 10 times. So that's the one that just goes, vigilance, vigilance, gonna get eaten. So, you know, it sort of has been throughout the entire balance, it's been showing up. And it's been vigilance every single time, I think, whether it's been running on noradrenaline, whether it's been switching off your serotonin, whether it's been activating your acetylcholine. It's just been, so that one's been really active the whole time. Which, of course, if your ass is up and running, you're not going to sleep.
Mm-hmm.
So now all 8 of them, hold. Not too bad, but no cigar. Mm-hmm. Once again, okay. You've always done better at subjects that you enjoy rather than ones you don't enjoy?
Yes, I've always done better in math and, well, physics and chemistry, because I tend to have math in them. I've just always been so good at math, but like I'm happy where I stopped at like calculus, because hearing like my math major friends, they're like
beautiful.
They're like in imaginary things and hypothetical the pieces, and then like, oh, it's so much, and I'm like, I don't think I would have been happy in that math. You're barely doing math, you're like writing paragraphs about math theories.
That is the funny thing. My 32-year-old, he actually wants to start studying maths. He said, maths anything. He's like economics, commerce, business, you know, and I'm like, ugh. Yeah,
it's like when people love math, like I love math, like one of my best friends, he's a math major, double major, and like when you love math, it's like so fun and so easy, and like you like to do things like Ken and Sudoku and stuff like that. But then whenever people don't like math, you think that people like math are insane. And I think more people don't like math than like math. And I understand how it can seem like why would you like doing this thing?
Yes.
But at the same time, I'm thinking that about the people that like reading and writing. I'm like,
exactly.
How could you like that?
And it's how fabulous that you love maths. You know, that's cool. Okay, so I think we are balanced. So, okay, so survival, deep survival, hidden adrenals. We've gone through the major pathways of the brain. Chakras, oh yeah, once I put all 8 of them in, that blew the base chakra. So when you're trying to take in too much information and comprehend it and utilize it and get it in, get it out, blows the base chakra. So once again, walking on the grass, having the sunshine, something under your feet occasionally. Think nature. It's very, very good for you. So yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. So your first kinesi session.
Yeah, I'll have to figure out if there are any in Boston.
Because time of day balance is a really, I'll put that on my list for Shelby. Because when we travel a lot as well, that can mess up with our time of day. And different medications at certain times, you know, like I know clients who are supposed to take, say, their ADHD medication, say 9 in the morning, but they end up waking themselves up at 4 o'clock to do it so that they can actually get to, you know, so they start playing with their meds to try to get more out of their day. Okay, no, well done, thank you. Oh, is there a final flower essence that we need? Oh, there is actually an Insomnia combo I could do for you for flower essences too. Okay. Sunshine waddles about seeing the possibilities. 7 drops, big dose. Interesting. Okay. Beautiful. And now, soon I'm going to go pick up my motorbike. Cool, thank you.